Hi, welcome back to a new episode on this channel. My sound of my voice is a little bit strange because I'm a little bit hurt on my throat and I've got a cold. So that's my voice is not so good. My trip to Tunis is not been yet. I fly next week, but I got the parts in for the wheels and so I want to continue make content for you. If you saw earlier, I've got the spacers 5mm and yesterday the new wheel bolts are in. If you can see, these are the old, these are the new. If you can see, they are a little bit longer, so now the wheels can stay on. So now I will continue putting the wheels on the car, and I go change out the front, the headlight, and take out the dent that's in the corner there. So let's begin. The 10mm bolt to undo that on this side. And here on the top is the last one. And then we can take out the light. This tab was also broken off. I don't know what they do it with, but it was not a good job. We take out the top light. To disconnect everything. We take a flat screwdriver. So if you compare the old with the new, it's a big difference. What we have now here on the side, I have a dent on here, but because the light is out now, I can easily exit it from the inside. There is one thing in the way, but I will try to pop this out. If you can see, there is a dent here, and let me try to push this out. No, the dent will not come out. For a few quid I have a new screen, so I will mount a new one on. What we do now, we take out, we're going to mounting back now the headlight. So we just plug in everything again. Before I'm mounting everything together, let's check the lights. Yes, all the lights are working, so I will put everything together. forget. I first must do it below and then on the side. So I put the wheels on. When it is not good now, I don't know it anymore. I put the old wheels on and I buy some wheel caps and then it will be done for me. So I don't know what to do more for the offset. I put in the new headlight. The dent is because there is a canister behind it. I cannot come behind it to pull it out. But for a few quid I can buy the original with the original color on it. So there's no problem, I will change it out. For now, I'm not feeling great, but I make a small test drive for if the sound is good of the car, the wheels are not rubbing, and then I will go on the couch, watch TV, take my rest and be well for tomorrow, because tomorrow evening I must work again. The plan for the car now is when I'm a little bit better, I will polish it and I make a special graphic here on the back, on both sides. So now we take for the test drive, a short test drive, and then we will see. I will see you when I'm feeling a little bit better. So this is a test drive. The last time I had it on the roundabout, that it was rubbing. But for now, I don't hear anything. It drives lovely. Here's just another roundabout. I will take a 360. So, for my steering, if it's rubbing somewhere, no, it's not rubbing. I take one further because there are some speed bumps. Let's see what he will do then. No, perfect. And the radio also works perfectly. The only thing I must do is the rear camera, the backup camera. I must reconnect it. So for now I will park the car. Then I go on the couch, take my rest, watch some television, take some medicine. Hopefully tomorrow I will be feeling a lot better. I must work tomorrow night, so maybe when tomorrow morning I'm feeling good, I will make a start to polish this car and to put on the decals. But for now, let's find me a parking place. So I can park it here, watch the curbs with my new wheels. So I'm a little bit afraid for the curbs. with my new wheels, but what do you think? You think the wheels are looking good? Now you can see what I mean with the keeping this black, because the black wheels with silver, I think the contrast is looking very good with the black. Stupid dent. The headlights look much better. The other headlight was good. I love this car. See you when I'm feeling better. This is a different ending of this episode what I want, but I got a beginning pneumonia, so I don't have the energy to polish the car now. So this will be the end of this episode. In the next episode I will polish the car. I ordered some different graphics. I've got some special monkey heads for the sides, but now I got a different theme for the car. So in the next episode I will polish the car and I put the graphics on. If you like this channel, please subscribe and put the post notifications on, so you don't miss out anything. Give it a thumbs up. Sorry to end this episode like this, and I hope I will be well soon, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.